What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here with Crypto News, bringing you the best crypto content on a daily basis. Today, we're going to be talking about NFT games and how exactly they work. There's no doubt that NFT games have actually propelled the entire NFT marketplace to new all-time highs simply because people all over the world started earning an income doing the things they already love to do, which is just playing games. In fact, games like Axie Infinity actually have users earning and supplementing their entire income strictly from playing the Axie Infinity game. It's pretty mind-blowing just to think about how fast the NFT gaming markets have moved, and today we're going to take a deep dive into the actual mechanics of how NFT games work. So if you've ever wanted to earn a passive income simply by playing games, then this video is right for you. And before we get started, please drop a comment below and share your thoughts on what type of content you would love to see from this YouTube channel. And also introduce yourself if this is your first time watching one of my videos, as I love to engage and connect with my watchers. And remember, this video is strictly for educational purposes only. Please do your own research anytime you invest in a digital asset. This is not investment advice. So what are NFT games and how do they work? As a gamer, I believe the thought of withdrawing the millions of dollars worth of coins you earned on Ball Blast has crossed your mind. Or maybe you wish there was a way to somehow own the cars you bought and customized on Asphalt 8, Need for Speed, or Forza Horizon. Unfortunately, you always end up discarding these thoughts quickly because you know that there's a 0 possibility chance of that actually happening. The reason behind this is that most traditional gaming platforms are centralized. Gamers have worked hard inside the gaming ecosystem to unlock numerous quests, attain unique powers, and in the case of games requiring guns or automobiles, special types of accessories and ordinances that can offer them a competitive advantage in the game. However, all these in-game achievements and assets are useless outside of the given gaming platform. And if the platform shuts down by any means, all of your achievements will go out the window. But this isn't the worst that can happen. Many gamers spend money to purchase items so as to progress faster. Therefore, if anything happens, they lose every dime they spent. As the crypto and gaming worlds are connecting, it appears that there's a light at the end of the tunnel for people facing these challenges. Here's how blockchain technology can improve the gaming industry. To improve the gaming industry, blockchain technology has permanently revolutionized the world of gaming. Blockchain is a decentralized, digital, and secure ledger that can be used to carry out transactions globally and keep records. Because there is no centralized authority controlling the blockchain network, a blockchain-based gaming platform will not, in the least bit, become outdated. This means that anyone who buys a gaming asset will be able to use it in another game that runs on the same blockchain. That said, it is worth noting that it will take a while before full gaming ecosystems can be established inside a blockchain. However, if gamers and crypto developers realize the full benefits, blockchain gaming has a good chance of becoming mainstream. So what are NFT games? NFT games allow players to make money by playing. A player is often rewarded with tokens and sometimes NFTs. The longer they play, the better the chances they have to earn more. Tokens are frequently required as part of the gaming crafting process. The token system is typically more stable since tokens can be gained continuously via play, whereas NFT drops are more random. Users in developing nations have found play-to-earn games to be notably attractive as an alternative way to make money on the side. Axie Infinity has quickly become one of the most famous play-to-earn games. The game involves a one-time investment of 3 Axies, or you can get a free scholarship from another player. You may earn Smooth Love Potion, SLP, which is an ERC20 token that can be traded on exchanges after you have a starter team and begin undertaking tasks and challenges. Breeders utilize SLP to create an economy by breeding new Axies. Axie Infinity became popular especially in the Philippines, where many players began to rely on its play-to-earn concept to make a living. Many participants earn between $200 and $1,000 every single month, with others earning much more depending on the market price and effort put in. So how do NFT games work? NFT games leverage blockchain technology to provide players with a completely immersive experience. An awesome user experience may be created by including them throughout the gameplay, including in-game exchanges. Blockchain entries are anchored by digital asset-powered ecosystems. These games are vastly different from those seen on the traditional internet. Assets are both tamper-proof and distinct, which translates to legitimate trade and finance. However, it is not only a money-making venture, as NFT games still include the fundamentals of gaming, such as puzzles, player interaction, earning, unlocking prizes, and exploration. Playing NFT games is different from storing crypto collectibles in your wallet. NFTs will be used in the rules, procedures, and player interactions of an NFT game. A game, for example, may use an NFT to represent your unique avatar or character. NFTs can also be digital products won or unlocked while playing the game. You may then exchange or trade your NFTs for profits with other gamers. The newer play-to-earn approach also allows you to make money through NFT games, and we will discuss this later in the video. So, how do you integrate NFTs in a gaming environment? Developers create smart contracts that set the rules for the NFTs used to trade, build, and implement NFTs inside a game. Smart contracts are self-executing algorithms that are stored on the blockchain. For example, CryptoKitties hosts a small number of primary contracts that govern the game. The most popular is their Gene Science contract, which defines the random mechanics that create new cats. The game's code was initially kept secret by the makers. Players even devised systems to calculate the likelihood of specific features in cats appearing. This helped them to improve their chances of creating a rare breed worth more money. Now, let's talk about making money with NFT games. In NFT games, players have 100% ownership of their in-game assets. Similar to traditional gaming, players can use their in-game assets to breed new creatures, level up, and gain an edge in peer versus peer combat. However, unlike traditional gaming, as players upgrade their character, they can sell and trade their in-game assets on marketplaces. The more unique and powerful their characters, the more profit they can earn. For example, Mobox's legendary Momo NFTs have been selling for up to $70,000 per piece on the Mobox NFT gaming platform. Many people have associated the sudden increase in the demand and popularity of NFTs and crypto with games. As the number of people playing these games has increased during the pandemic, it is natural for assets associated with these games to become more popular as well. NFT sales topped $1.2 billion in July of 2021 as the demand for blockchain games continues to soar. So what does the future hold for NFT games? Polygon has set up a $100 million fund for projects aimed at combining the hot blockchain technology with gaming. It has invested in Decentral Games to boost play-to-earn gaming. Decentral Games has created a gaming decentralized organization, also known as a DAO, which is a self-governing company run by its users. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Decentral Games develops 3D metaverse games for both consumers and for business markets. The games include NFTs, play-to-earn models, wager-based games, and 3D virtual event games centered on music and concerts with an immersive experience. The platform allows users to purchase digital assets within the game, helping them improve their standing and get ahead. For example, certain tools used by the characters in the game can be traded on an NFT marketplace, usually the game's own marketplace, and then used by the player, which owns them. New marketplaces such as NFT Global are offering a combined platform for trading, education, gaming, and mining, which will allow new entrants access to all resources on just one platform instead of constantly alternating between Google searches and other websites. The platform also aims to reduce gas costs associated with crypto transactions, allow new artists to become financially stable by selling their art as NFTs, and provide a user-friendly platform in 20 different languages to increase adoption of the NFT phenomenon throughout the world. So now let me ask you, what are your thoughts on NFT games, and where exactly do you see the NFT gaming market headed? Have you yourself also experimented with NFT games? Please share your thoughts in the comments below on your interactions and your thoughts on NFT games, and even share some of the NFT games you yourself are playing that you think some other users might find beneficial. The NFT games have so much capital moving towards them from venture capital that it's getting really hard to track how many different NFT games are going to emerge in the next year. Though I don't think all of them are going to succeed, I do think if you keep a close eye and do research on some NFT games, you'll find some of the golden winners that will emerge and pretty much dominate the NFT game space in the next year or so. So these can be some golden opportunities to do some crypto research and finding some of the next big NFT games. And as always, if you did find this video resourceful, please smash that like button. It really helps support this channel. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on tomorrow's video.